What is going on, guys? Dr. Snipers here, back with a video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get faster internet speeds, quicker downloads, lower ping, and no lag on your Xbox Series S or X. I am on it currently. I'm pretty sure all the menus and stuff like that are the same, so there's no way I could really prove it. So I'm actually just going to quickly switch to my phone and show you guys that I actually have the Xbox Series S right beside me, and then I'll just be right back. Alright, here you guys go. Like I said, show you guys, I'm on the Series S actually. There's the S back there, but Series S. We're all connected right now with the Ethernet cord. Where is it? Right here. I can actually plug it out and you guys can just see how it looks like. And yeah, let's just jump back into the actual Xbox recording. So as you guys saw there, I'm just going to be basically showing you guys how to improve your Xbox One internet speed using an Ethernet cord and another really simple trick if you have really bad internet speeds and stuff like that. So the first thing is going to be with the Ethernet cord. So I'm going to show you guys my speed and statistics with that one. Right now I don't have one, so as you can see I'm connected to Bell 752 or whatever. So that type open all that. So right now, obviously we don't have one, it would say wired. So let's go ahead and test our network speed and statistics. I'm going to show you guys how much of a big difference it makes and how much better your internet actually gets when you plug in that Ethernet cable. Because what Xbox or Microsoft actually did is that they changed the jack for the Ethernet cable to make it more responsive or something like that. And you're going to see a lot bigger increase than you would with the older gen consoles. And for you guys that have really low speeds, like 10 to 20 megabytes per second download, you guys will probably see upwards of 100 megabytes per second download speed. I'm pretty sure without a cord, I have about 150 download. But my internet's been pretty good today, so maybe it's a bit higher. So it is a bit higher. As you guys see, wireless strength 100, that means I'm wired. Sorry, non-wired and not wired, I'm wireless. Latency 27, you want that to be as low as possible. Download speed 206.17 megabytes per second. Upload 22.72, 0% packet loss, which is great, and MTU 1480. So two big things that change right off the bat. We're not going to see it yet, but I'm going to tell you guys is the packet loss. You're going to always be on 0%. If you guys have packet loss, then that's when you're going to be experiencing lots of lag spikes and stuff like that. You're not going to get packet loss when you're wired, which is huge. You're not going to have wireless strength, which is also big, because if you guys only have 80 to 90% wireless strength, that could seriously be affecting you. And obviously we're going to see how much the download and uploads affected. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in right now. It will probably disconnect my recording because it is off the Xbox's internet connection. So I'm just going to be right back when I'm connected, guys. We are back, and as you guys can see, current network status wired. We're obviously still on the Xbox Series S. I already showed you guys that earlier. So again, guys, NAT type is still going to be open. All services available, so everything should be good. Let's go ahead and test our network speed and statistics now that we are wired. So again, this might take a second. I don't want to skip it or anything, so I'm not like lying to you guys. I want this to be like full uncut raw footage or whatever. So let's just keep checking this network and see what it gives us. I'm looking at my recording right now, guys, and it looks like it's lagging a little bit. Let's hope that doesn't bother it too much. All right, it looks all right. So here we go, guys. So latency 22 ms. Download speed up to 290.17 megabytes per second. So we are up about 90 megabytes per second download speed, which is absolutely massive. But here's the biggest thing, guys. The upload speed has gone up 450 megabytes per second. We're at about 22 megabytes per second, and we're now at 474.27 megabytes per second upload speed, which is really huge, guys, because that's the main thing that is used when playing games. The download speed is used for downloading games, but the upload speed is what is used when you're actually playing games, and that's what affects your ping. Our latency went down as well. It was 27, now it's 22. So a massive difference here, guys. Just a really big difference. For me, it doesn't matter too much. Obviously, I go ahead and use wired because it's better. But for you guys that might only have 10 to 20 download and 5 to 10 upload, this is going to be a huge difference maker in how you guys play and stuff like that. So again, guys, it'll also help with your frames and stuff like that if you want to play with 120 FPS. So just a really big difference here, guys. That's going to be the first step I'm going to show you guys. The next one is actually going to be, I might save for a different video because I don't want this video to be too long. But it's going to be in the advanced settings. And if I go into the advanced settings, it is going to start showing like my IP and stuff like that. So I am actually going to save this for another video. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel with post notifications turned on. If you guys do want to see the other, so the other video is going to be basically using ports and stuff like that. This is going to be if you have like really bad internet, like probably less than 10 megabytes per second download speed. that's when you can use like pretty much LAN ports or whatever to get yourself up to 30 to 50 download speed. Again, so if you guys want to see a video on that, make sure you leave a like. Comment down below what you guys want to see me make next. That might be what I make next, maybe not. If nobody really comments it, I might not do it, but make sure you guys have your notifications turned on in case you guys do want to see that video. Anyway, I'm uploading almost daily videos, including NBA 2K21 Next Gen and Call of Duty Cold War. So if you guys are excited for that, again, leave a like on the video. If this did help you guys out, subscribe to the channel, notifications turned on, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
One family in a sweet harmony.